Hi, this is Nick from Canaweld coming at you today from our office in Vaughan, Ontario. And I just was playing with this spool gun the other day, and I wanted to show you guys a really cool little feature that I hadn't noticed the first time I used it. So there's two things that you can do with a spool gun. You can be welding some really high amperage stuff and do a spray transfer, in which case it's better for your nozzle to be out further than your contact tip, about a quarter of an inch. But when you do that, you have a less stable arc, right? Or if I'm welding on something thinner and I want some nice penetration, I'm gonna want that contact tip on the inside and my nozzle here to be just about flush with each other. So I'm gonna show you guys how to switch this back and forth depending on what you're doing. We're gonna bring the camera in nice and close and you guys are gonna see just how easy it is. It's like really slick, okay? So stay tuned.
Okay, so here it is. We got our nozzle and we got our contact tip, right? Now typically what you want is a short wire stick out because that gives you a nice stable arc and good penetration. So let's put this on. And you can see they're almost flush with each other right now. So that's great when I'm working with lower amperages and stuff like that, right? Nice and stable, nice and smooth. But say I want to bump it up because this is a 200 amp spool gun. I want to crank this thing up and use it at the full 200. What's going to happen is that wire is going to be melting back into that tip. The tip's going to get superheated. So what we want to do is set this thing up for spray transfer. And this is all you got to do. Slide this off. We're going to flip it around. Look how simple this is. Okay, now we're going to put the exact same tip back on without changing anything. And now our contact tip is sitting about a quarter of an inch behind where our nozzle begins. So it's sitting right back about there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to run those higher amperages and set up for spray transfer without worrying about melting those tips over and over and over again. So yeah, I just wanted to share that feature with you guys today because I thought that was pretty slick. Thanks a lot.